Let's check out the Whiteboard Owl camera. Introducing the Owl Labs Whiteboard Owl camera, your key to inclusive and dynamic hybrid meetings and classes. First off, the Whiteboard camera does require a Meeting Owl 3 to pair with for use. This innovative camera brings your in-room whiteboard to life for remote participants, ensuring everyone is part of the conversation. Experience a live stream of your whiteboard, complemented by a 360 degrees panoramic view of the meeting room. The Whiteboard Owl enhances visual content by increasing contrast, sharpening text, and reducing shadows. It even makes the presenter appear transparent for an unobstructed view of the board. Designed for flexibility, it supports whiteboards up to 15 feet by 20 feet and offers various mounting options. Set it up on the wall, ceiling, or a tripod, anywhere from 7 to 16 feet away from the whiteboard. Compatible with any dry erase markers and non-glass whiteboards, it's versatile for all your needs. Stay ahead with technology that's always improving, thanks to continuous software updates. The Whiteboard Owl is not just a camera, it's a gateway to more engaging and productive hybrid meetings. Ensure no one misses out on important visual content, whether they're in the room or joining remotely. Its easy setup and compatibility make it a must-have for modern meeting spaces and classrooms. Unlock the full potential of your meetings with a tool designed for clarity, inclusivity, and flexibility. The Owl Labs Whiteboard Owl camera is your solution to bridge the gap between in-person and remote participants. Embrace the future of collaboration with technology that adapts and grows with your needs. The Owl Labs Whiteboard.